In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TradingView desktop app for Mac. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having TradingView as a desktop app can enhance your trading experience, providing quick access to your charts and analysis tools without needing to run them through a browser. Let's go step by step through the installation process. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. You can do this by simply typing in a new tab or window if you're currently on a different page. In the Google search bar, type in how to install TradingView desktop app for Mac and hit enter. This search will bring up a list of helpful resources and guides relating to TradingView's desktop application for macOS users. Once you have the search results in front of you, look for a link that takes you directly to the TradingView desktop application page. This page is typically toward the top of the results, as it's quite popular among traders looking to optimize their workflow. Upon clicking that link, you'll land on TradingView's desktop page, which has detailed information about the app and why it's beneficial to use. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features outlined here if you're interested. When you're ready to proceed, look for the download section specifically for macOS users. TradingView's site is user-friendly, and there is usually a prominent button labeled Download for macOS. Clicking this button will initiate the download of the app's installation file onto your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the TradingView installation file in your Downloads folder or wherever you have set your downloads to be saved. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. Mac computers typically handle installations quite smoothly, and you'll likely see a simple setup wizard appear on your screen. Follow any prompts that the installation wizard provides. These might include confirming that you want to open the downloaded file, agreeing to any terms and conditions, and choosing where to install the application on your device. It's pretty straightforward, but if you run into any prompts requesting permission, just go ahead and grant them so that the installation can proceed without a hitch. After the installation is complete, you should see the TradingView app icon appear in your Applications folder or directly on your desktop, depending on your Mac settings. And that's it. You now have the TradingView desktop app installed on your Mac. Go ahead and open it to explore all the great features it has to offer. Don't forget to log in with your TradingView account details to access your personalized charts and settings. Happy trading!